Python is the most popular programming language globally, and you can begin learning it in just 10 minutes. Used by major companies like Netflix, Google, NASA, and Instagram, Python is essential for AI, data science, web development, and automation. Learning Python is advantageous because it is beginner-friendly, reads like plain English, and has a robust job market, especially in AI and machine learning. The basics include variables and AMP, data types **. Variables store data without needing explicit declarations. Python automatically identifies types like strings, integers, floats, and booleans. Lists and loops **. Lists can hold multiple items, which you can loop through using a for loop, facilitating automation by reducing repetitive coding. Functions **. Functions allow you to package reusable code, defined with the "def" keyword, making your scripts more efficient. Libraries **. Python's strength lies in its abundant libraries. Tools like NumPy and Pandas assist with data analysis, Matplotlib for charts, and TensorFlow or PyTorch for AI, allowing you to build applications without starting from scratch. Once you grasp the basics, consider exploring data science with Pandas, web development with Django or Flask, or delve into machine learning. Uplatz offers comprehensive Python courses for learners at any stage, tailored for professionals. If you're interested in pursuing Python, visit uplatz.com for a complete catalog of courses, and subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials weekly.